Welcome to Drip Depot Irrigation Basics. My name is Adam. Today, I would like to show you how to test the pressure regulator in a drip irrigation system. A quick test like this can be handy if you suspect any pressure issues in the system, or if you simply like to confirm that the regulator is working as it should. All that is required for this test is a pressurized drip irrigation system with a flow rate of at least 30 gallons per hour, the regulator itself, a pressure gauge, and a location to connect it. Permalock threaded end caps make for a great place to connect the gauge. While it is possible to connect a pressure gauge directly to the outlet of a pressure regulator, this would only give you a reading of the water source's static pressure, something I will demonstrate later in this video. As mentioned previously, pressure regulators require both pressure and flow. When connected to the outlet of the regulator, there would be no flow. Since most pressure regulators are not rated for constant pressure, it is recommended you remove the regulator when testing the static pressure of a water source. Now that I have covered the information, let's do a quick demonstration. First, I'm going to remove the threaded cap from the Permalock end cap. The male threads you see there are standard 3/4 inch male hose threads to which any common female hose threaded gauge can be attached. Perfect. The reading is right where it should be. Now I will connect the gauge directly to the regulator and demonstrate a test done without flow. To help prevent pressure damage to the regulator, this will be a short test as pressure at our hose bib is quite high. As you can see, without one of the required elements, the regulator cannot regulate downstream pressure. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you at www.dripdepot.com. If you have any questions or comments, comment below or reach out to us on our website. We'd love to hear from you and learn from your feedback.